Hello everybody, hope everybody's doing well. It's the first time I'm using my new H1N camera. I did not bring an umbrella with me. I didn't think it was gonna rain like this. I mean, it's a light rain, but still. I hope my mic is okay. It's currently Saturday, October 3rd, precisely 5:26 p.m. Central Time, here in Coralville, Iowa, walking along the Iowa River. It is 52 degrees. So that's fun. It's not too cold. I hope the raindrops don't mess up your vision. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out audio-wise, quality. I should have brought a damn umbrella. It's too late now. There's no turning back. So this is the Iowa River Trail. I'm pretty sure it just goes from the strip up to the Iowa River landing, which is going to be our destination. And I'm using my new gimbal as well. It is the iSteady Pro. But I call him Herbert for no reason, just because it was a funny name. Up there in the distance, I don't know if you can see it, but that is the Marriott Hotel. I haven't been over in this area quite a while. Apparently there's some buildings over here too. I don't know what those are. I'm guessing hotels maybe, or office building or something. That sign. I don't know if you can read that from here, but danger, dam ahead. And there is a dam right there. We're on the other side of it, so you can't really see it, but I'm just gonna tuck away my mic in my coat pocket or inside my jacket here. I hope you guys can hear me still. Wow, they developed this a lot since I've been over here. None of this was here. This town's grown so fast that none of this was here literally 6 months ago. I mean, the Iowa River landing was, but wow. Just amazing how much they've built in such a little period of time. Maybe they're dorms. I have no freaking idea what those are. But I'm definitely putting my gimbal and my GoPro to the test here. with this the rain. Can't believe I forgot the umbrella. I hope this gimbal's going to be okay. The GoPro should definitely be fine. If it's not, then I want my money back. I'm pretty sure the gimbal said it was splash proof. Maybe that was the mic. I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's not the mic. Maybe it was the gimbal. Anyways. We're going to walk along the trail till we get to the most northern part of the Iowa River landing. I'm just going to walk around. I may talk, I may not talk. Just depends on, something sparks my curiosity. At least the rain has stopped. And there's the Iowa River landing section of town. It's the Marriott. So peaceful over here. Can't really hear hardly any of the cars or anything like that. Nice little meadow there, some trees. My GoPro is getting freaking soaked. Is that a restroom area? If that's a restroom area up there, I'm probably gonna stop in there real quick just to wipe off the GoPro and stuff. Not that it's supposed to need it or anything. This bike trail, or this trail, or whatever you want to call it, goes all the way around the Iowa River landing. So I'm going to walk all the way around it. Then I guess I'll just walk on some streets. Hope this thing's okay. It's supposed to be waterproof, right? There's a little trail over there. I don't know if you can see that. I think these are restrooms. Is it a trail? I'm going off the beaten path to see if this is a trail or not, what the hell this leads to, if anywhere. Huh. It's a fishing spot that someone made. That's pretty cool. See that stone, that limestone? This is why they call it Coralville. It's because of the coral fossils that you find in all the limestone around here. There's like reef fossils and stuff. So it's like really weird that we're landlocked, but we have all these like sea fossils. This is a pretty cool trail. I think I'll walk around. I think I'll just keep following it. I wasn't expecting to come across this trail. That's pretty cool. Feet are getting a little bit wet, but that's okay. That is so cool. Definitely putting the stabilizer to the test in this walk. I'm bouncing all over the place. The old Iowa River. It leads to the Mississippi River eventually. Starts the Iowa River actually starts up in Minnesota and it ends in Burlington, Iowa, where it connects to the Mississippi. I would like to walk around Burlington, Iowa someday. Maybe once I get a vehicle, because it's quite a drive. It's about an hour and a half drive. Yeah, my feet are definitely wet now. This is pretty cool. Wow. Just all these rock mounds here. This random rock mound. That's pretty cool. Cool little spot. Cool little fishing spot if you like fishing. Which a lot of people do in Iowa. In Iowa. I don't know where you're all from. If you could let me know down in the comments where you're all from. Oh, look at that tree. It's like this one red tree. Whoops. It's just a windy little path, isn't it? Okay, I'm behind Marriott apparently. Another view from the river. Another nice little spot. Iowa City's over that way. Some nice houses beyond those trees. Can't see them from here though. I don't know how far through the forest you'd have to go to find those houses, but it's a lot better than walking on the trail. I like this secondary, like, backhand trail that you can discover. So you can actually walk along the river. That's pretty cool that they did that. Just a random just a random grass trail. It is taking quite a while to walk all the way around it though. We're gonna be getting towards the interstate here soon. Look at this tree, holy cow. It's grown sideways off the bank towards the river. That's awesome. Okay, you got some weird pipes here coming out of the rocks. It's very odd. Huh. Interesting. Letting out some sort of gas, probably. There's like lots of nice little spots you can sit, like on logs and stuff in this area. It's a lot of good fishing spots here. Wow. That's pretty cool. Wetland Park. Oh yeah, I remember they were going to build a wetland park here. They finally did it. It's been like 20 years since they were talking about it. That's what this is. I thought it was going to be like a dome though, like a covered dome, like artificial wetland park. There's another path. Goes through the weeds, or the tall grass, not weeds. All right, I gotta see where I'm at on the GPS. Okay. I could go like further around everything, but that's closer to the interstate. I think I'll just cut through here, go over this bridge, just to save some time, since had a little trouble getting the GoPro on the gimbal. And it doesn't look like there's like no river over there, so it's fine. Call that wetland. Plants. Grasses have joints. Sedges have wedges. Rushes are round. Forbs have flowers. I don't know how many flowers we're going to see at this point. It's October, but still pretty cool. Very nature-esque. I wonder what that is over there. Is that like an observatory? Just go up there and like observe, I guess. I'm guessing it's supposed to flood here. It's like it's supposed to flood. Oh, this is pretty cool. That is cool. Is this natural or is this man-made? That is cool. Look at this. Very pretty. What that rope's for. Very cool. Coralville, 375 million years ago. Wow. Iowa today, Iowa 375 million years ago. That's nuts. So yeah, that's why we have like coral fossils and reef fossils. That's pretty cool. I should have started filming here instead of that long walk. Look at this. That's pretty cool. That's all I can say about it. Is that's pretty cool. Look at that. That's just awesome. It looks really scenic. Some nice scenic views. And we are now behind the Marriott. Marriott Hotel in the Iowa River Landing. That's pretty cool. I might have to come back here, I guess. Explore like just the wetlands or just the business portion in different videos. 'Cause I have a bus to catch, so I don't know when it's coming. So I gotta just keep walking, moving on. Unfortunately. Okay, I guess we'll go around this way. It's pretty cool though that this is all here now. This was not all here. Not even like 10 years ago. 20 years ago. Definitely not 20 years ago. I just heard a big old fish. Why am I hearing splashing? What the hell? Oh, it's this drain. I thought there was like a big old fish or something. It's just a freaking drain. So to my right is a parking garage. To my left is the Marriott Hotel. It's a very nice hotel, to be honest. I'm guessing it's like 300, 350, maybe even 400 a night. Not quite sure. But they have websites and stuff, you can look it up. That's kind of odd. What is this? Looks like it's got mulch in it. Probably for like planting. That's cool. This, I believe, is a brewery, if I can say that right. Across the street, you'll see Vesta. Of course, the Marriott right there. Oh yeah, Back Pocket Brewery. That's what it was. That's okay. There it is, Back Pocket Brewery. I like this little area because it has like buildings that look like it's just a little tiny, looks like a downtown, like they were trying to make this look like a downtown, and they did a pretty good job at it. Antique Car Museum, Johnson County. Historical Society Museum. got some businesses that are closed currently. Avenka. I'm guessing there's apartments above. When I was in high school, that whole place right there used to be an apartment building, like a loft kind of thing, which just really crappy, low-cost living apartments. But they turned into an antique car museum. That's really cool. Fuzzy's Taco Shop. I guess I'll go straight. If you guys ever want a good taco, go to Fuzzy's Taco Shop. I've heard great things about them. Never tried it myself though. Which I probably should someday. At least once, you know. There's a new hotel over there. I wonder how long that's been up. Huh. I'm trying to figure out what this building is. Across the street. I have no idea. Is it a museum? It's like an old car right there. 50s. Oh, it's the Mediacom Extreme Arena. Nice. I forgot we had an arena. Yeah, they were talking about putting in an arena too for a long time. Can't remember, I think it's volleyball that plays there. I'm not quite sure. Iowa Hawkeye volleyball. Here's a 30 Hop, a very well-known restaurant in the area. We got a portion of the University of Iowa healthcare. It's like various clothing shops here now and hair salons. There's the Marriott over there we were just at. Why they gotta put a drain right there. Another clothing store. Sorry we're closed, but still awesome. Okay. There's a Hilton Hotel, apparently. I don't know how long that's been there. Man, it's been so long since I've been in this area. Okay, we're at the end of the road. It's not like a huge area, but it's a pretty cool little area. You can get under the, try to get out from the rain a little bit. And there's a new building going up over there. No idea what the heck it is. There's a furniture shop to my right. And this store right here across the street from me, that's Von Maur. Humongous freaking Von Maur store. All right, nope, I want to go this way. I'm walking to the Greyhound bus area so I can catch a bus back home. Unfortunately, this bus is going to take me to Iowa City before it takes me back to Coralville and back to my place. So I guess I hope this video was exciting for you. I liked it. It's a nice little walk. Wish I would have remembered my umbrella though. I'm not sure when my bus is coming, so I kind of want to get there before it does so. I think I'm going the right way. That's why I stopped for a second. Alright guys, if you like this video, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and clicking the bell too. We'll see you guys next time. Later.